Hello everyone. In this video I will show you build a sales dashboard in Google Sheets step by step. So let's begin. First open your document. Say this total sales. Type to this formula sums. If first equal sums C2 C11. Press enter. Use autofill or delete. Again apply the same process for total profit equal, press enter. Then select data on C11. Go to insert tab, sort, automatically inserted. Sort type, change your sort type. Monthly sales trend sort, simply change sort type, use line sort. Or use top product analysis, insert tab, pivot table, new sheets, then rows product values sum sales, or customize your rows and columns. Hope this tutorial help you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.